Hi everyone, good to see you. Dr. Wu is going to make this haddock dish for us. It's very delicious. I've had it before. He's now cutting up the ginger into slices and then into smaller thin strips. So you can see the fish in the bowl. Ginger and fish, good combination. Okay.
Cooking oil, this is peanut oil.
About 1 tablespoon. Oh, 在后面可能是。对，在那个瓶子的后面，在那儿，对。Okay, and a little bit of the Sichuan pepper.
5 pieces.
5 pieces of Sichuan pepper. These are Dr. Wu got it from a friend, right? Was actually this pepper from Sichuan.
Very good one.
Very authentic. The flavor is very strong.
Sichuan pepper also is medicine too for clean out the worm in the body.
So.
Keep warm, yeah, one formula. 5味丸里面6味丸干重筋. Then we have ancient Chinese herbal medicine have that ingredient in one the 青梅 plum formula with this Sichuan pepper. One is warm, one is cold, balance, but this can warm the body. In young energy, make your body feel warm. A little bit ginger.
Okay, so this is the amount of the ginger that Dr. Wu just put in. The fish goes in. Slowly put in a little bit of water, maybe a couple tablespoons. So it's about medium heat. Next, sea salt.
Teaspoon sea salt. A teaspoon soy salt. This is chili sauce.
About 1 spoon of chili sauce. A little bit more ginger on the top.
1 teaspoon rice wine. See, this is a very good sake here. Organic sake. Rice wine. Cover up just 10 minutes.
Okay.
Now we're going to cook next item. We're going to wait here for the fish. Right now, turn the heat low now. Lower the heat a little bit. 10 minutes. Now, with the vegetable. Now we got this. It's avocado oil. Make sure you got high heat oil. You know, oil say high heat, okay? This can take like 600 degree, very high heat cooking.
Yeah, you want oil with high smoke point. And avocado oil is probably one of the oil that has the highest smoke point. Yeah, can tolerate it. So, okay. Ginger.
We actually have a lettuce from my garden.
Ooh. You hear the nice sound.
Half teaspoon salt is sea salt.
Oh, hi. Angela is watching. Hi, Angela. I wish you're here. So Doctor was making this vegetable dish. So he's stirring the vegetables around so that it gets even heat. It's called stir fry. Oh, I can already smell the fish. Smell very nice. Mmm. Beautiful color. Okay.
Next item.
That's ready. So we're on to next item.
The fish is done.
Ooh. Look at the nice steam. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Now we're hungry. This is the napa cabbage, Chinese cabbage.
So hide your finger inside. You don't cut your finger, okay? Hide the finger like this. No. About 2 tablespoons avocado oil. Now this one we do a little bit salt and pepper in there too. Pepper is cold. you need some pepper to warm up balance. If otherwise people get cold stomach, they upset stomach. It's hot and cold balance. You get some hot stuff in there. Only 5 pieces, small. Then ginger.
Next, ginger. Ginger is also hot too, right, Dr. Wu? So it's good combination with cabbage. You can hear the noise that the cabbage is making. It means it's cooking in a nice high heat.
Teaspoon sea salt.
Bless you. So Doctor would just put the lid on and let it cook a little bit. But you can still hear the sound. I can smell this nice fragrance of the citron pepper.
This stir fry takes about 5 minutes done. But also garlic is my favorite too, to cook this vegetable, because today with somebody here, it's 100% vegetarian, no garlic, no onion in the cooking. Because the vegetarian people, they cannot eat garlic and onion. That's why I use ginger and citron pepper instead of garlic.
Okay, so this dish is done. Yeah, so Dr. Wu made this 3 dish within just about half an hour.
See, this is a special case here. Let me show you another special way to do fish. Fish with vegetables. fish. This for somebody vegan, vegetarian, but this is going to be mixed with the fish. Looking good. No.
Ooh. Dr. Wu now is pouring the sauce from the fish onto the white cabbage.
Good.
Flavor got all well blended together. I'll have a close up for you guys. That's the fish and the napa cabbage. The stir-fried napa cabbage and stir-fried greens.
Now we get rice.
And then rice as starch. Thank you, Dr. Wu.
Welcome. Okay, see you.
Bon appetit, everyone.